Hi, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Facebook profile to a page. So first of all, we will just go into the Facebook mobile application here. And as you go into the Facebook, you have to click on the three lines which is on the top right side corner. And after that, you have to just click on your profile and click on the three dots, right? So let me just show you the three dots, right? The three dots which is here in the right side. And after that, it will take a very few seconds and you have to just copy your profile link. And why I'm making you to copy your profile link, I will explain you later, so just watch the video carefully, right? And after that, you have to just go to the setting and privacy. Then you have to just go to the setting. Okay, not setting, you have to just go below down here. So basically there is a no option of help, so we'll just go into the setting, right? And here we will take just a few seconds. So guys, basically we have to go to the help and support, and after that you have to click on help center, right? And it will take just a few seconds to open up. And after that, guys, you have to just on the search bar you have to type switch profile to page, right? And just hit the enter. And after that, you will get to see a lot of options. So basically you have to select this one, switch into your page in the new pages experience, right? So basically you can select this one, otherwise I will show you a different option. After that, guys, you can see the steps if you want to change it, right? So here it says that if you click on the three horizontal lines which is the top right side corner, you will get the option to change it. But just go back into this video and just let me know whether you found this option or not. So basically the information is given here is totally wrong. There is no option to change your profile to a page, right? So we have to just report it. You have to just click on the no, and here you have to just select any of the information is confusing. And here this is very important, guys, you have to just paste the link which we have copied, your profile link, right? So we will just paste the link here, and after that you can see this is the link which we have copied. And here you have to write one more thing. Let me show you what you can write here. So basically you have to write hello everybody, in this video I have discussed about Facebook profile in how you can change it, right? So basically you have to write that you're facing the problem here and you're just getting so confusing information, and basically the information is totally wrong, right? So this is it, and after that you have to just click on the submit, right? And this is it. So after that, in just next 24 hours, Facebook team will contact you through your email address and they will try to help you and resolve your issue. So this is it. If you found this information really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.